everybody. Hope everybody's having a good hump day. I hadn't done an update video in a little while, so I figured I'd take you guys for a walk around and show you what I got going. So here are our jalapeno plants. They are doing amazing. They have grown really tall. And actually, if you look in here, I've got flowers and little jalapenos going everywhere. Same with this guy over here. And then if you look at my sugar snap peas, I got peas. Got some tomato hangers. One of them died, but I got 3 that have done really well. My lettuces are doing great. Spinach is still kind of hanging in there, but I haven't done much with it. Flowers and rosemary are about ready for a bucket transplant. And I still got peppers and bell peppers and jalapenos to get transplanted too. One of my other tomato plants, it's flowering up too, looking good. Mint's still kicking butt. Cilantro's doing well. My other peas have peas on them as well. All of my potatoes are doing really good. Need to get some more dirt and unroll this bag a little bit more. That one's full up, about as tall as it can get. The baskets are starting to take off. So I need to pack some more newspaper around there and fill it with some more soil. My onions are starting to do really well. I have red all the way over here, yellow, and white, and they're starting to peak up and grow. Got more tomatoes right here with some more flowers on them. More hanging tomatoes. And here's that sugar striped tomato plant. As you can see, she is kicking butt. We got tomatoes on her. It's almost 3 foot tall now. Come around here. Our garlic is doing really well. Have some that didn't make it, but that's just par for the course. Come over here. Blueberries are doing good. Strawberries are struggling a little bit though. I'm not sure if they're not getting enough water or what, but I lost one of them down here at the end. Come back over here. All of our cucumbers are doing good. Got them starting to grow up the trellis here. If you look under here, my cucumbers got flowers. So it shouldn't be too long before I start. Come cruising over here. Our Brussels sprouts are still kicking butt. They're freaking huge. Squash is doing good. They're all finally starting to take off a little bit. Hopefully our night temperatures start picking up. Come to this big guy back here. Take a look at that. Got flowers. And we got fruit. Walk over here. Our corn is kicking butt. Down in between them, our beans. Pinto beans are starting to come up really good. and they will use that corn as a trellis and also provide the soil with extra nitrogen. Look down in here. I have cabbage, kale, 2 types of lettuce, and spinach all sprouting. Starting to do really good around here. Hadn't given you guys a birdie update in a little while, but all the babies are doing great. Miss Mabel is still kind of angry with me, not sure why. She'll get over it. The babies still haven't started producing eggs yet. I've gotten 1 or 2 little ones, but that's been it. So, any day now they should start picking up. Take a look. The white leghorns, wattles have developed, but the rocks haven't yet. But the rocks are 2 weeks younger than the leghorns. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Birdie, birdie, birdie. I haven't been able to make much more progress on the coop upgrade, but I did get the roof back on it, at least, so they have some shade. And if we go inside, I got the nesting boxes mounted up off the ground so they're not sitting down low anymore, welcoming pests and predators. I need to get some planks and finish off all of these walls here, but it's coming along. Oh yeah, Birdie likes to get scratched in the back of the neck. Oh, Birdie, 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 Birdie. Ah!